Hello everyone. So today we will do conversation. So hi means namaste. Always remember that in Hindi, hi or hello means the same namaste, and goodbye means alvida. Goodbye means alvida, or you can say namaste as well. Alvida or namaste. Okay. So hi, how depends on the condition. It can be kaisa for male, कैसी for female, and कैसे for male plural. This is for male singular and this is for female singular. This is for male plural, and कैसी to give the respect or for female plural. So R means है. I told you है. You means आप, तुम, तू. So आप is very informal. Very formal, sorry. It is used for elders. Tum is for informal. Aap is very formal. For it is used for elders. Tum is informal. It is used for companions. And tu is used for. It is very. Tu is very informal. It is used for friends basically. You can use, but avoid it if you can. So here the boy is saying that to a girl, hi, how are you? Now let's do. So what's the sequence here? Namaste, आप कैसी हैं? नमस्ते, आप कैसी हैं? So I means मैं, M means हूँ, good means अच्छा और अच्छी. Here the sentence is spoken by a female, so we will use अच्छी. Thank you means धन्यवाद. So what's the sequence here? मैं अच्छी हूँ, धन्यवाद. Next, what is your name? What means क्या, is means है, your means आपका, name means naam. So always remember that Hindi follows subject object verb sequence while English follows subject verb object sequence. So what's the sequence here? आपका नाम क्या है? So my means मेरा, name means नाम, is means है, Anna is same. So मेरा नाम Anna है. Suppose this boy is saying and his name is Tom. So what he say? He say my name is Tom means मेरा नाम Tom है. नाम or name it is irrespective of the gender. So मेरा नाम Tom है. Next, where are you from? Where means कहाँ, R means है, you means आप, from means से. So आप कहाँ से हैं? I means मैं, M means हूँ, from means से. There is no pronunciation for the United States is same. So मैं United States से हूँ. How old are you? There are two ways of saying this. Firstly, आप कितने साल की हैं? Or you can say आपकी आयु कितनी है? How is कितनी? You it will get convert to आपकी. Otherwise you means आप. R means है. Old means आयु. Suppose a man you want to say old man. It means बूढ़ा. बूढ़ा आदमी, man means आदमी, and old woman, बूढ़ी औरत, औरत means women, so औरत. So the person is saying that I, मैं हूँ, M means who, 20 means 20, years means साल or वर्ष, any. So there are also two ways. मैं, either it is मैं 20 साल की. Why की? Because the speaker is female. If it would be male, then you will say मैं 20 साल का हूँ. So here it's female, so it is मैं 20 साल की हूँ. Or you can say मेरी आयु 20 वर्ष है. There are two ways. Next, are you a student? R means है, U means आप, A means एक, student means विद्यार्थी. Always remember that school means विद्यालय, school means विद्यालय, then teacher, then teacher, if it would be a male teacher, then it would be, if it would be a male teacher, then it would be अध्यापक, शिक्षक. If it would be a female teacher, female, then it would be अध्यापिका, शिक्षिका, शिक्षिका. Okay, so what's the sequence here? And always remember that if here is are, if here is, if here is do, and there is question mark here, then you will always start your sentence with क्या. So क्या आप एक विद्यार्थी हैं? क्या आप एक विद्यार्थी हैं? Yes means हाँ, I means मैं, M means हूँ. So what's the sequence here? हाँ, मैं हूँ. Do you work? So I told you that whenever do here, something here, question mark here, is here, something here, question mark here, and are here, something here, question mark here, always starts with क्या. So क्या आप काम करती हैं? So करती, why? Because the listener is female here, otherwise it would be करता. So करता for male listener and करती for female listener. So it would be work means काम, you means आप. So क्या आप काम करती हैं? So female is saying that yes, हाँ, I, मैं, काम. Part time is, you can say part time, or अंशकालिक also you can say. The correct Hindi is अंशकालिक. Actually the thing is अंश means आधा, half in Hindi, half or आधा. अंश और आधा means half. कालिक, काल means time in Hindi. So it would be, so the correct sequence is हाँ, मैं पार्ट टाइम और अंशकालिक काम करती हूँ. Okay, so I think that's all for this video. Thank you.